Welcome to Teespring. I'm Kate, your community manager. So I know you just signed up recently, and I want to give you a quick tour around your Teespring account to help you get started. So let's go ahead and jump in.
First up, let's talk about how to create products. You can access the Teespring launcher from the top right corner of your screen or from the Teespring homepage. You can create products instantly and decorate them using our text tool or by uploading a custom design. You'll also be able to choose the profit you want to earn per product sale, and you can add additional products to your listing too. Don't forget that Teespring products are made to order, so that means that there's no upfront costs and you'll receive profit whenever one of your products sells. One of the most common questions I get from new sellers is, what products should I add to my listing? So the products that you add will depend on your audience or the people that you want to sell to, but in general, the most popular products sold on Teespring are t-shirts, hoodies, die-cut stickers, women's t-shirts, and mugs. Our most popular colors are black, navy, white, and gray, followed by red, blue, green, and purple. That being said though, you'll want to make sure that whatever you choose is going to appeal to your audience or the people who are going to buy your products. Just don't forget that Teespring offers a lot more than just t-shirts. You can also create and sell phone cases, tote bags, jewelry, blankets, hats, and much more. Also, if you need help creating designs, I'm going to include a link in the description of this video to tools that you can use to create designs for your Teespring products. Next, let's order a sample of the products we've created. You can easily order samples of your products at base cost by clicking the Order Sample button within the listing section of your Teespring account. Most Teespring users order samples to verify the quality of their merch, source products to give away or sell at events, or to feature within their promotional content. Keep in mind, when users feature real samples of their products in promotional content, they tend to see a 50% increase in sales. I'll include a link in the description of this video with examples of how Teespring users are increasing their sales with samples if you want to learn more. So once you've created your products, let's go ahead and add them to your custom Teespring storefront. There are tons of ways you can customize your store with personal branding, and this branding can also carry over to your individual listing pages. You can add information about yourself and links to your channel, Facebook page, Instagram account, etc. And you can even control which products are displayed and featured within your store, as well as add further organization by using our product categories too. You'll want to make sure that you've enabled cross-selling in your store settings so that we can try to help you drive even more sales per order by recommending your products to shoppers. So now that you've got products and a storefront, let's talk about promotions. Promotions can help boost your sales by up to 60%. And there's 3 different types of promotions that you can create with Teespring. You can offer free shipping, a specific discount amount like $2, or a percent discount like 10% off. You can also share your promotion using a special promo code or a promotional URL. I'm going to include a link in the description of this video to another resource that I've created all about promotions, so go ahead and check that out if you want to learn more. So the last section of your Teespring account that I'm going to cover in this video is your settings. This is where you can update your contact information, your payout information, and adjust your account preferences. This is also where you can opt into different Teespring tools like the Boosted Network, which is Teespring's network of marketplace integrations and promotional channels. The Boosted Network enables you to sell your products in marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and more, and you can also take advantage of powerful features like boosted retargeting ads. You're going to want to go ahead and enter your payout information in this section as soon as possible. And that's because we only assign trust scores to user accounts with verified payout information. Your trust score is really important because that's what enables you to appear in the Boosted Network, Teespring Marketplace, as well as get featured in the Teespring homepage.
So there you've got a couple tips to help you get started as you begin selling with Teespring. Please make sure to add community@teespring.com to your contact list so you receive more emails from me. I'm going to be sending a couple more tips to you, as well as new products and feature updates that you will not want to miss. Keep in mind, if you need help at any time, you can reach out to our seller support team using sellers@teespring.com. And if your buyers need assistance, please direct them to support@teespring.com, and our customer service team will be happy to assist them.